Thabo Mbeki is a former president of the country and udlala enkulu indima ekutheni sibe nabantu bokufika bangekho documented in the country. Badlala futhi enkulu indima ekuthenini abaphe ama-documents and create an impression yokuthi everyone and anyone can come into the country. The myopic side of it is that the other countries are not doing the same thing. So how are you extending this or building this Africa, or one Africa as they claim, when it's one-sided, when everyone is coming down? Where are the South Africans or other people going to other countries in Africa? Why base Libya, base Egypt, base Angola, base Congo, just walking in? Why are we the only ones that have to allow that? And it's very strange coming from a man who built a wall at his house for 68 million rand. Why did he build a wall if he feels like it's safe in the country where everyone is just walking in? He must just let the house be and allow people to walk in. I mean, if that's the life that he wants us ordinary South Africans would say, Pile. You know, I think in he's got security, he's got 24/7 unemali and that. So abakwazi ukuzibeka in a situation outside of their own comfort. Bayazi ukuthi banamabhizinisi eAfrica that they're taking care of. Therefore, you can't speak against African countries because at the end of the day, nami ngisazoya in all these African countries and do trade. So, unfortunately, and that's the sad part about former President Thabo Mbeki, is that in his view, it's very myopic because always saying is abafike ngendlela right, ababe nama-documents, we must know who they are, they can't just be occupying spaces and places just because they're from Africa. And that's not a working or sustainable model anywhere in the world. So what is he saying? What's it? Because all other African countries at the moment are experiencing wars, they're experiencing dictatorships and so forth, and their countries are under corrupt leaderships. Must come here because we're doing better. What about the South Africans? How does that affect a South African? And there are other countries in Africa that are doing better, Morocco, Egypt, but you know why they're doing better? It's because they're protecting themselves and they're keeping umnotho for themselves. How are we going to grow an economy where we don't know the number of people who are in that economy? How are we growing an economy when we can't sustain the number of people that the country is taking care of? We are a welfare state currently. Millions of people are on welfare. Who is supposed to take care of, whose money is supposed, whose taxes is supposed to take care of these people? You can't just have a blanket approach and say because we are doing well. How are we doing well? We are not even growing. We haven't grown even. I think our growth is estimated at 2%. 2% growth in a country, and you say that country is doing well. That's a very, very, very ignorant statement, and it's said coming from someone who's an economist.
Hey there, thanks for tuning in. Want more awesome content? Follow us on all our socials at STK206.